Oh. One more. Okay. It's late February, and it's warm enough outside to be wearing this. Tomorrow, we're supposed to get snow, and it's only supposed to be 30 degrees. But today, I can be outside working in a tank top. So, I am. And just because this is a barn does not mean that it has to be trashy. So, that's what I'm doing today. I'm cleaning it up so that it doesn't look trashy. Here's an important little tidbit that you guys can see. The junk hay is mostly dirty. It's old. It doesn't have a whole lot of nutrients in it, but there's a lot of dirt in it. So I put it here not only to give them an opportunity to dig through it to see if there's anything that they want, although they do appreciate the fresh stuff, but there's also a low spot here. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a low spot here, and since there's so much dirt in it, I was hoping to kind of help fill this in. It used to be level with this footer right here, but it isn't anymore. So little bits at a time. Out there is where I put the other two, and then some more up front near the camper to fill in some low spots there where puddles are collecting. And just behind my car, I get this super muddy spot. So, all right.